Good morning, class family. It's a magnificent Monday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. September 11th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Monday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will use the alphabet chart to match letters. Next, we will watch a video about Lexia. Then, we will do literacy centers. After that, we will listen to a story and share ideas. Last, we will help to label our classroom. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so the brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's start with this month here. I see a capital letter S-E-P-T, period. What does that abbreviation stand for? If you said September, go ahead and pat yourself on the back, and let's go ahead and reread the whole date at this time. September 11th, 2023. After the date, let's reread the greeting, beginning with the word dear and a capital D like D-Dog-D. Dear class family, after our greeting, look at the first sentence. I notice that it starts with a capital letter T. Good writers start sentences with capital letters as we are rereading the message so we can understand the order in which we're doing things in language arts. Notice in every telling sentence how it starts with a capital letter. All right, let's go ahead and reread. Today is Monday. It is Monday, and it's a magnificent Monday. Look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. You know, we're doing that every day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. And we're going to focus on being a great communicator and collaborator in kindergarten. And we're going to do this by speaking clearly. So remember, use your mouth to speak and your ears to listen. That's what good communicators do. All right, look at the next sentence. First, we'll use the alphabet chart to match letters. We will be using the alphabet chart, and before we do that, we're going to review our word wall as a resource to go through the letters, sounds, pictures to match that word, and American Sign Language. Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel, Mr. Bees and the Singing Walrus. We're going to be using your channels today to move our bodies and pump our brains with knowledge. So in addition to using our word wall, we are going to use our alphabet chart to match letters to. So we'll be able to find different letters with the magnetic letters and different things that we talk about in class. And we're going to search for the letters on our alphabet chart. Now, all of you have this as a resource for writing workshop in addition to being on the front of your blue communication folder. All right, so we're going to go ahead and use this as a resource. Remember, good readers and writers use lots of resources to help them at school. Okay, next we'll watch a video about Lexia. Oh, we will. We got our iPads delivered last week at the end of the week. We're going to watch a special video about Lexia so you can see what the reading program is that you're going to be doing at school each day to pump your brains with knowledge. All right, look at this sentence. Then we'll do literacy centers. We will. So you're going to be practicing some of the curvy letters that we had worked on last week, like U, up, up. You're going to also be practicing J, jug, j. In addition to that, S, snake, s. Let's go ahead and review those curvy letters. You're also going to be starting to color your My September book. And as we are reading, you're going to notice pattern sentences. I see apples. I see leaves. I see sunflowers. I I see pages that stick together. Just kidding. I see acorns. I see squirrels. So we're going to be reading this book and coloring it in class. I see pumpkins. And at the very last page, you're going to be filling in the blank with what you see and drawing a picture in addition to sounding out that word. Oh, I can't wait for us to start our My September book. You're also going to do box centers and reading books. It's going to be great. After that, we'll listen to a story and share ideas. Oh, we will. And we're going to be looking at Nuffle Bunny. We're going to listen to her story. We're going to share ideas and practice being a great communicator. Last, we'll help to label our classroom. We will. We're going to label our classroom. We're going to see how different areas are labeled. And we're going to be doing something on chart paper together. And remember, when we're labeling and doing different things during writing workshop, there are many materials that you use at school, including the alphabet chart. Remember, we're going to be focusing on that earlier today. And we're going to be using some other resources like crayons, pencils, paper, our journals today. It's going to be fantastic. What a great Monday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question of yes or no answers in our T chart for today is, do you like juice? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share why. Do you like juice?